I'm Callie and welcome back to the ARELLANO'S. Today we're reading book number 5. So both join me reading, guys. Let's start. So both Joe and his father are rowing at the beach. Joe makes a soap boat. It has a leaf from the oak tree. He floats it on the water. My soap boat is sailing away, said Joanne. The fish sees the soap boat. She swims towards the boat. What this is? Said Joanne. She wonders how it came here. A whale is under the water. Joanne is shocked to see Ron the whale. How are you, Joanne? Says Ron. I'm good, thank you. Look at this soap boat, said Joanne. Ron goes near the soap boat. The soap boat floats on water. Ron sees a lot of foam from the boat. He swims through the foam. A bird is flying high in the sky. It sees an oak leaf on the water. It rushes to grab the leaf. The leaf is soaked in soap. Joe and his father run to the soap boat. Joe holds it in. His head is joyfully showed it to his father. It my soap boat, says Joe. Take Joe back home with the soap boat. And that's the end of the story. Soap boat. I read the words list here. Rowing, beach, Joe, floats, sailing, leaf, oak, towards, Joanne, wonders, shock, Ron, from, swims, through, flying, grab, high, soak, looking, mouth, drops, hold, joyfully, father, host, whale, reaches.